Hi everyone, this is your next question from Cat 24, the third slot. You can pause the video and try it once and resume for its solution. If 10 raised to 68 is divided by 13, the remainder is. Pretty simple question. It's a very straightforward question. We will look at multiple ways of solving the question. The first method is you can divide 10 by 13 and find the remainder. So if I divide 10 by 13, the remainder would be 13. Ones are 13, the remainder is minus 3. So 10 power 68 when divided by 13, it is like saying 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 for 68 times will be divided by 13. So each time you get the remainder minus 3. So the remainder will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 for 68 times, which is nothing but minus 3 raised to 68. Further, you can ignore the minus sign here because the power here is even. Any negative number is to an even power. Minus into minus is going to be positive or plus. So you can ignore the minus sign also. You can treat the further remainder as 3 power 68. And we are going to divide this with 13 and find the remainder. Next, we can break this 3 power 68 as 3 power 66 multiplied by 3 square. And further, 3 power 66 can be written as 3 cube the whole raised to 22 into 3 square is 9. Now 3 cube will be 27 and 27 on dividing by 13 will give me the remainder 1. You can cross check this as 27 divided by 13, 13 2s are 26. Yo, the remainder is 1. So this part gives me a remainder of 1 and 9 divided by 13, the remainder would be 9. Final remainder would be 1 into 9, which is 9, and that is your B option. So that was one way of answering the question. We have a slightly better or a quicker way to find the answer. Notice that the number 1001 is 7 into 11 into 13. 1001 is a multiple of 13. That means if I divide the number 1000 with 13, I will get 1000 into 7 into 11, 77. 1001, the remainder would be minus 1. So the number 1000 when divided by 13 will leave me a remainder of minus 1. Using this fact, I can get the answer much more quickly. Let's start by considering 10 power 68 written as 10 power 66 into 10 power 2. Further, 10 power 66 can be broken as 10 power 3 the whole power 22 using our laws of indices into 10 power 2. Now 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000 and 1000 is getting raised to the power 22 into 10 square is basically equal to 100. 1000 gives a remainder of minus 1 when divided by 13. That's what we've seen right now. So the remainder of this entire part with 13 will be minus 1 raised to 22 into 100 divided by 13. 13 sevens are 91. The remainder is 9. Finally, the remainder is minus 1 raised to 22, which is 1 into 9. 1 into 9 will be 9. And this is my B option. Simple question, and that's how we solve it.